Let's discuss the advantages and disadvantages of star and delta connections for direct online starting of three-phase motors. When using a star connection for direct online starting, one advantage is lower starting current. The current drawn during starting is reduced by a factor of square root of 3, or approximately 58%, compared to a delta connection. This reduced current lessens the stress on the motor windings and the power system. Another advantage of star connection is a higher starting torque. The lower starting current results in a higher induced torque, providing improved starting performance during startup. However, star connections also have disadvantages. One disadvantage is lower efficiency. The star connection generally has a lower efficiency than a delta connection, primarily because of additional resistance and inductance in the neutral path. Also, the star connection often exhibits a lower power factor than a delta connection, which can lead to higher reactive power consumption within the system. Now, let's examine the delta connection. The delta connection has advantages as well. One advantage is higher efficiency. The delta connection typically exhibits higher efficiency compared to the star connection, mainly due to the absence of a neutral path. The delta connection also features a higher power factor compared to the star connection. This higher power factor can reduce reactive power consumption. However, the delta connection also has disadvantages. One disadvantage is higher starting current. The current drawn during starting is a factor of square root of 3, or approximately 58% higher than the star connection. This can put more stress on the motor windings and power system during startup. The delta connection also has lower starting torque, where the higher starting current leads to a lower induced torque, resulting in reduced starting performance during the initial starting phase. Additional considerations are relevant when selecting between star and delta connections for direct online starting. The choice ultimately depends on the motor characteristics and the specific application requirements. In general, if starting torque is critical for the application, then a star connection is often preferred. However, if efficiency and power factor are more important considerations, a delta connection is usually chosen. Some motors are designed to be run on both star and delta connections. This allows for flexibility in starting and operating conditions, depending on the needs of the particular application.